Hello everyone, today we are going to test the Xiaomi mijia 1C vacuum cleaner, or AS7 for Europe. It is a robot vacuum cleaner combining performance, intelligence and finesse. In the box will be included, the charging base, the cleaner, the power cord, the water tank, a mop and a side brush. The charging base should be placed against a wall, with a space of half a meter at the sides and 1.5 meters at the front. Once the base is installed, turn on the robot and place it on its base. Then download the Xiaomi Mi Home app and follow the steps to configure your robot. Once the installation is complete, all you need to do is turn on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and connect your robot.
Charging. Waiting for the network setup.
With the mapping function, the mijia 1C can calculate the best routes to clean all the rooms in record time.
I'm starting the cleanup.
It has a powerful suction of 2500 pascals. Suspension suction plus powerful main brush. It has high precision sensors, 15 kinds of multi-directional sensors, sensitive to various complex environment, easily avoid obstacles. You can also follow his movements, as well as deny him access to an area, or have him clean a specific location. It is possible to schedule cleaning sessions, every day of the week. It has built-in gyro sensors. It can go back to its charging station and remember the various obstacles it might have encountered while cleaning. It can overcome 20mm obstacles and depending on the surface change the suction power mode.
I'll continue the cleanup.
The Xiaomi Mi Robot 1C is equipped with a 200 ml electronically controlled smart water tank. The water volume is automatically controlled throughout the process. The battery capacity is 2400 mAh, lasting 110 minutes for an area of 102. Its nominal power is 40 watts. He returns to his charging station automatically when it is less than 15% of battery power. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to support me by subscribing to my channel. See you soon.